Bigo ang Philippine Ascals sa kanilang kampanya para makapasok sa 2018 FIFA World Cup. Yan ay matapos ang nakakagulat nilang pagkatalo sa koponan ng Yemen sa kanilang qualifying match kagabi. Narito ang report ni Mark Zambrano.
Dikit ang naging labanan sa pagitan ng Philippine Ascals at Yemen kagabi sa Rizal Memorial Football Field. Ilang beses nagpalitan ng atake sa goal ang magkabilang koponan sa first half na nagtapos sa 0-0 na score. Pero sa 83rd minute ng second half, nakalusot sa depensa ni Daisuke Sato ang striker ng Yemen na si Ahmed Al-Sarori para bigyan ng 1-0 lead ang Yemen. Ang final score, 1-0 para sa Yemen. Aminado si Ascals head coach Thomas Dooley na nagkulang sa intensity ang Ascals na naglaro na wala ang team captain si Philiang Hasban dahil sa nakuha nitong yellow card sa last game nila.
He's a good player, he's a captain, he's one of the better players we have. If he's not there, obviously you're missing something. But you have other players who can jump in and do the job too.
Ang goalkeeper na si Neil Etheridge hindi rin nakalaro dahil sa injury.
Yeah, it's frustrating. You know, any game that you don't play or you're unable to play is frustrating. And, you know, to be fair to Roland, he didn't have much to do, but what he did very well.
Bakas din sa tinig ng ibang Ascals ang pait ng pagkatalo, lalo na at dito pa sa Pilipinas natapos ang kanilang kampanyang mag-qualify sa 2018 FIFA World Cup.
Of course, everyone's in a bad mood. The result was very unfortunate. We didn't expect that because we thought we were going to win the game.
We didn't win the game today. We didn't take our chances, and mostly this is our problem. Like when we don't take the chance, we receive the goal. So even against Bahrain, same thing happened. Yemen again. So maybe this is football. You never know.
Inalay naman ng Yemeni team ang panalo sa mga kababayang pilit na bumabangon sa krisis sa Yemen.
We don't have at the time electricity in Yemen, you know, but everybody has his own to watch the match. I'm quite sure that everybody is happy, and I'm happy because these players make Yemeni people happy during this, you know, crisis which is in Yemen now.
Isasara ng Ascals ang kanilang kampanya sa Group H sa Marso kontra sa Uzbekistan at North Korea. Sa ngayon, paghahandaan na rin nila ang kampanya sa AFC Asian Cup UAE 2019. Para sa unang balita, Mark Zambrano reporting.